مبلغة مقدرة يومية للتأكد من أخذ كل منتجاتكم الخاصة بكم. شكرا.
The outside temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving us today, please ensure you search around the floor area and your seat area for any of your personal belongings. Ensure you take them with you. If you have a fever, cough, a shortness of breath, please ask the cabin crew for assistance. If you develop these symptoms during your stay, the Hong Kong Department of Health advises you to put on a surgical mask and consult a doctor. Thank you for flying with Emirates. We hope you have enjoyed your flight with us this afternoon. We do look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.